Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to go live on YouTube. To do a live stream on your laptop, it's really simple. Just start off on YouTube, of course. Then you want to click the little camera icon up here at the top. There you'll have the options to upload a video, go live, or create a post. Well, when I click the one in the middle, go live. Now what's going to pop up is this black screen. And you'll have the option to do stream beta, webcam, or the manage button. An easy way to do it is just go to webcam, and so you'll be live streaming with your webcam camera up here. Then you want to create a title. I'll just call this one How to Live Stream. Alright, then you can choose if you want private, public, or unlisted. I'll just do private, so I don't actually go live. You can schedule it for later if you want to. I don't want to do that. You can see more options down here. Here you can put a description, and you can also have default description here with all your important information. You'll be able to choose what type of live stream this is, like what category, film and animation, autos and vehicles, music, just the regular stuff. Since this is a tutorial, I'll choose education. You can also go to advanced settings and allow chat or unallow it. I suggest allowing chat because that makes it a whole lot of fun and you can really interact with your viewers. You can also enable an age restriction if you feel that's necessary. If your video contains paid promotion, you'll want to turn this one on right here. And you can also enable monetization or disable monetization. Now let's go to next. You want to click the blue button right here. Alright, so respond to the thumbnail. It's working. There we go. Okay. So it just takes a quick thumbnail like that, and you can edit that if you feel like it wasn't a good thumbnail. You can retake it, or you can pre-make a thumbnail and just upload that as a custom thumbnail. I'm just going to go with that, even though it's not very good. That's okay. Now once you have done all that, you can go live by clicking the blue Go Live button right here. And so it says going live. We're live. Awesome. So you can stand in front of here and just you talk about whatever you want, engage with your audience. You can do like a Q&A when you're live streaming, things like that. So that is how you live stream on your laptop. The chat will appear right here, and you can actually chat in the live stream yourself if you want to. And then when you're ready to end it, just click end stream right there. Alright, so once you're done, you'll get some statistics, like how many playbacks there were, how long your live stream was, their average watch time, how many new subscribers were gained from people that watched this, and also the total watch time. And of course, nobody is watching, so we have 0 seconds watched. Okay, so I don't usually live stream from my laptop. Instead, I like to live stream from my phone. And you usually have your phone with you wherever you go, and that means that you'll be able to live stream wherever you are. And it's just really simple and easy to do. What you want to do is you go to the YouTube app. You want to click the little camera button up here. You'll have the options to go post a video, a live stream, a story, or a post. You want to click live. Alright, so then you want to create a title. How to live stream. Perfect. And then you can choose unlisted or public. There's no private option right now. You could choose your location, more options. You can add a description. It looks a lot like the one on the laptop. Advanced settings are the same as on the laptop. Allow chat, enable monetization, things like that. All right, and then you want to click next. Smile for a thumbnail. All right, perfect. And then once you think that's good, go ahead and click Go Live. All right, so as you can see, it wants me to rotate to stream in portrait, and that is what is usually best for live streaming. All right, we're live, guys. Although not really, because nobody's watching, but that's all right. And then you want to take advantage of the lighting you have. There we go, that is much better. So you can have pretty good quality live streams if you take advantage of good lighting and also making sure you have good internet. All right, the chats will appear right in this section of the screen, and you can see them all. We'll just scroll through. Now maybe you think live streaming is cool, but you might not know all the reasons why you should live stream. So you can go check out my article that I wrote. The link is down in the description to learn all the benefits of live streaming and also tips to make your live streams better. In that article are also all the steps that show you how to live stream both on your laptop and on your phone, so you can look back and review that as you learn how to live stream. I really hope you like this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!